Good evening, YouTube friends. This is Jim, back to you with another video. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. What I want to talk to you today about is your health. Come in a little closer and let's talk. So, you're thinking about moving off-grid, or you have moved off-grid. How's your health? You know, we hear all the stories about water purification, electricity, how to get your electricity, getting your firewood, raising chickens, growing your food, all the stuff. But do we hear about health issues? I don't think I've read anything or heard anything on YouTube concerning off-grid living and your health. So I'd like to clear up a couple of things with you. First thing is, I live up in northern Canada, northern Ontario, and the hospital services up here aren't the same as when you're living in the big city. It's harder to get an ambulance, harder to get into see the doctor, harder to get to the hospital. If you're off-grid, that could be a big challenge. That challenge could be compounded if you're in poor health. You know, I started my YouTube channel a year and a half ago, and one of the first comments way back at the beginning, and I was kind of offended by it. I let it go, but it was stuck in the back of my mind a little bit. And what that comment was, is I was doing a video, I'm not even really sure what the video was on, but a comment came back that said, you need to go on an off-grid diet. I thought to myself, everybody's entitled to an opinion, but I think it's better to edify people than to tear them down. But anyways, I had that in the back of my mind. Well, I'm off-grid. I'm getting older, and I've come to the realization that the older you get, the better health you want to be in. And especially if you're off-grid. So I took the person's advice and I went on an off-grid diet. Now, if you look at the chart, there's my chart. You'll see that I started in February 2026. It is now mid-July 2026. I have lost 80 pounds. 80 pounds, you say? Yes, I've lost 80 pounds. I feel great. I have more energy. I'm quicker. I feel healthier. And I think overall it's going to contribute to successfully living off-grid. Because especially when you're older, I wouldn't have to deal with the hospital and the doctors as much if I'm healthy. Now, having said that, skinny people get sick. People that are overweight get sick. Skinny people need to see the doctor. I get all that. But what you want is as many advantages as you can find living off-grid. You know, going out and splitting your wood, 80 pounds lighter, it's going to be so much easier. There's a couple of videos in the corner. There's one video there with me with a puppet. That was a couple of years ago. I was quite heavy there. And there's a picture with me with my wife. We went up to a wedding. That's a size 60 suit. Way, way too heavy. I needed not to be wearing a suit that big. That's my own fault. That picture, that's a picture of me when I was at work, working for a company. That's a size 60 coveralls. Just yesterday, I grabbed out a bunch of my old coveralls and I was trying them on to see what fits me and what I need to get rid of. And I found 3 pair of coveralls that are size 52 that were swimming on me. I can't even wear them. So you say, how did I do it? Well, if you really want to know, leave your comments and I'll show you how I ended up losing all this weight. I didn't exercise. I didn't do anything crazy. I just smartened up with how I'm eating and I came up with a perfect plan. And that perfect plan has made it that I've lost 80 pounds. February, March, April, May, June, July. 5.5 months. 5.5 months, 80 pounds gone. I'm living off grid and I need to be healthy. I don't need to be going down with a heart attack. I don't need to be losing my breath when I'm trying to do stuff. If you look at some of my videos over the last few months, you'll see. My wife keeps saying to me, boy, you're breathing heavy in those videos. Boy, you're snoring a lot at nighttime. It all has to do with the weight. Like I say, people that are skinny still have health issues. I get that. But when you're living off grid, you need to do what you need to do to get healthy, get fit. And that's what I chose to do in February. I'm 10 pounds away from my goal right now. And within the next 4 to 6 weeks, I'll be there. In the next 4 to 6 weeks, I will have lost 90 pounds. 90 pounds in less than 7 months. If you want to know how I did it, leave your comments and I'll make a video and share it with you. It wasn't hard. I took no drugs. I did no exercise. I just smartened up with the way I'm eating. And I logged my meals and I figured out how many calories I wanted to take each day. And I just put myself on a plan. Started with a routine. Now I'm going to start exercising a little bit. I have to because, you know, even though you lose weight, you still got this loose skin you got to get rid of. So, follow along and watch my videos. I've got a lot of planned videos for the renovations I want to be doing in the next little while. Putting up new solar panels. I want to share with you my thoughts on batteries, lithium versus lead acid. Just a bunch of things I'm doing. So follow along and we'll see how it goes. We'll talk to you next video. Have a great evening.